Hello friends, welcome again. And this is my new project venue booking system. And I have developed this project in Java, JSP, and MySQL. The version for the JDK I'm using is the JDK 1.8, and MySQL version is 5.6. For running this project, I am using the Tomcat server, and the Tomcat version I am using is the Tomcat version 7. But if you have Tomcat version 8 or Tomcat version 9, then you can easily configure and run this project on Tomcat version 7, 8, and 9. Right. This is a web-based project, so I have used HTML, CSS, and JavaScript on some of the jQuery library for giving some good effects inside the project, like form validations. I have used the jQuery plugins for calendar integrations. I have used the jQuery calendar for drop-down menus. I have used the jQuery plugins. Right. So these all technology stacks I have used for developing this project venue booking system. Right. So let's start with the functionality go through. So the project title is Venue Booking System, and it's a Java JSP MySQL based web based mini DBMS project, right? Web based because it runs on over the browser. Mini because it has only customer operations. There is no admin functionality available inside this project, and mini and DBMS because we are using the MySQL database for performing the CRUD application, create, read, and update and delete operations. We have used the MySQL. For connecting MySQL with Java JSP, I have used the MySQL connector, which you will get easily from the mysql.org website, and after that, you will be able to perform the database operations using the Java, right? So let's start with the functionality go through. So this is the home page of the project. You can see this is a simple home page, right? And it's a static page. I am not rendering anything from the database here. This is a about page, right? And it's also a static page. If you want to change the content, then you can change directly from the about.jsp. This is a venue, right? So these all venues are coming from database, right? So if you want to add venue, just go on the php my admin, or after that you can add more venues, but there is no admin panel available for adding the venues, right? You can filter out the venues using this areas, right? So if you want to book the venue in a specific area, just click on that area, and after that the venue will be displayed there, right? So you can see it's displaying, right? Okay, so if you want to see the details of the venue, just click on the venue details, and after that you will be able to see the details of venues, right? This is a submit booking request, right? If you want to book the venue, just click on the submit booking request, and after that you will be able to book the venue, right? But uh, you can't book the venues without means logins at the system. So there is a restrictions at the project, right? You will you will not be able to book the venue without logins at the system, right? So I am logging using the amit@gmail.com username, and the password is test. Once you log in, then you will get the admin sorry dashboard, customer dashboard, from where you can perform certain operations, right? So let me go through one by one. So this is home page, already explained you. This is a dashboard, this is a venues, right? So from venues I already explained you, this is a my request. You can see all of the requests which you have made, right? Means you have made for booking it, right? If you want to see the detail, just click on the view details. You will be able to see the details of the booking, right? This is a my account section, from where you will be able to see the your account details, and after that you will be able to update that details also. This is a logout, right? Once you log out, then you will not be able to access the internal pages, means the administrative pages, right? So now I am going to book a venue. So this one I want to book you this venue. Just submit booking request, and here you need to enter the name. So name, email, any email, right? Contact number, and the I want to book the venue, right? Once you click on the update booking, then that uh, details will be saved into a database, and you will get the your booking id is 9, and you can see the details in the my booking history section, right, my request section, and you can see this is the 9 number, and if you click on the view details, you will be able to see the details of the booking, right. All of the details are getting from the means rendering from the database, right. So this all functionalities I have developed inside this project venue booking system. If you need more functionality in this project, just put it into the comment. We will incorporate those changes. We'll make this project according to your requirements. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for getting the latest projects videos on the latest technologies. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.